wabarakatuh. Today I am Nur Hazid Azwan bin Azwan. Today our group are going to simulate how to connecting or how to done two assignment. First thing to connect to start, we start with place the floor pedestal on the bottom, and then we got our grounding switch to connect it to the floor pedestal. Okay, if you look here, this is what we call a discharge rod or grounding rod. The function of this rod is first, initially this rod will contact with this top electrode, and after we press ready at the computer, this rod automatically will separate from the electrode, and after we start to inject current to the frequency converter, this rod back again to this electrode.
Alright, so right now after that we connect the measurement capacitor, which is 100 picofarad with a maximum AC voltage of 100 kilowatt. Basically, the capacitor is a HV unit that used as a capacitor divider. After that, we have a top electrode, which it used with the ES with switching ground switching to reduce the effect of corona.
Okay, so for the next component, we have connecting cup, which is conductive connecting element with 4 connector vertical horizontally and 2 as vertically, which is we can see here the capacitor connected with connecting cup vertically. Then we go to the next component, which is connect horizontally, which is connecting rod. Connecting rod will connect to the transformer.
Okay, this is the secondary unit, which is secondary capacitor, second leg. We connected the series with the capacitor, and then capacitor, and you can see this serial 118205. That serial number that we can control the control room. Okay. After that, this you can see the ground level, which is we connect outside these two hole, and this is a live. Okay. Also this same, and this one we live we connect with the frequency converter BM2 because we testing the AC voltage. Okay. At the left side is we connect with the
System.
ecoscope to control the system lah. Okay. The S is this is grounding. We connect with the transformer, this, and the supply. Connect the grounding here and the live.
What is Picoscope 3000 series? Okay, this is the cable coming from the frequency converter, and then this is the cable which is I'm going to see now from the laptop. So the app that we use is the Kit Lab, and then the Kit Lab 3000 series. So now we will look into the Kit Lab experiment, or before testing in the laboratory, we should check any alarm or is the door open or closed. After that only we should do the testing. Okay, before turning on the power, we have to check whether the doors, alarms, everything is in the correct condition. Okay, next then we should reset, and then we should turn on the power. After we turn on the power, the grounding rod and the electrode will be separated for 7 to 8 seconds, and then after that you will get ready and the HV will turn on. When the HV turns on, the electrode and the grounding rod will be attached together, and the system next we'll be looking into the setup. Alright, we'll go into the customer setup. Alright, so as what my lecturer told me earlier, for this AC we should look into this thing, which is test certificate system test report, which is basically kept in the lab while we are doing this testing. Alright, so for this we have take the value from the divider ratio, and this value we have inserted in our AC, which is in the customer setup. Okay, so next, after inserting this, we'll be looking into the next app, which is Kit Lab 3000 series. So now I'll be opening the app. Okay, hold on. Okay, next. Okay, so basically we are using the AC. Alright, it's in AC and the range is basically 5 volt. Okay, as basically I told you all earlier, the divider ratio which is rated in here, we have also need to input the value in this divider ratio, which in the Kit Lab means, which is the second app. Okay, after that we have to I'll try to reset. Okay, so far there's no changes and everything is running. Then we'll be looking into the graph. So this is the graph what I get basically from the kit. Okay, this is the scope enlarged. Alright, hold on now. This is a graph which I have get from this one, and it basically shows the divider ratio and everything, all the values and everything. Alright, the reason why I get 5 voltage is, okay, now we will be looking to the calculation, which is the desired voltage divided by the divider ratio. When we divide the divider ratio with the divider voltage, which is 19749.4, which I have already calculated, which is 70k divided by the divider ratio, and the value that I get is 3.5, and basically that's why I have inserted the range in 5 voltage.